Hey everybody, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. I want to show you our newest drawer system we have in the Land Cruiser 250. Let me show you a couple cool features that we've come up with. One of our most exciting new things here is adding a lot more divider slots. We also have north to south or front to back slots, so you can add all these different lengths and you can make little tiny cubbies within all of your drawer systems. Our best seller, our bamboo tops on one side, we'll have the metal tops for sale on the other side as well. So the other cool part about this drawer system is that we went with the entire design in hex ply, and we tried to reduce the weight by cutting out some areas on the side of them. We also used a 1/2 inch drawer face and 1/2 inch top and a 1/2 inch bed, just to kind of save some weight because the hex ply is a little heavier than the light ply. This is also how easy it is to turn it into the bed system. Right here, you just fold your seats. There's one side, here's the other side. That's how easy the seats go up in the Land Cruiser, but you keep them down flat like this. And your top piece right here just comes over. It's on a hinge, so it just folds over, comes all the way over, goes flat, lands on the backs of the seats, and has a little bit of a raise to it, but once you put a little bit of weight on it, it ends up leveling out the entire system. Now you have about a 6 foot long sleeping area for the back of your Land Cruiser 250. All right, everybody, so you just saw our Land Cruiser 250 model. It's up for pre-sale on the website now, so let us know if you have any questions, and happy trails.